Hi everyone, this is David with David's Tutorials, and I want to share with you something that has been on my mind for a long time, and that is the 3 most important decisions you will ever make in your life. This video is about the first of those 3 decisions, and I wanted to keep the video relatively short. Look for links in the description section down below and at the end of this video for the other 2 most important decisions you will make. What I'm about to share applies to everyone. It applies to you. It doesn't matter your race, your gender, your nationality, or anything else. These are the most important 3 decisions you will ever make. The good thing about these decisions is that once you make them, you can change your mind. You are not locked in. You already make these decisions every day, but you might not be aware of it. Let's get started. The number 1 decision you make every single day is the answer to this. What kind of person do I want to be? There are so many aspects to this question, it can intimidate you, but there are some basics that will help guide you along the way. Here are some sample questions you should answer about what kind of person you want to be. Do I want to be a nice person, or do I want to be a nasty person? Do I want to be critical of others, or do I want to be accepting of them? Do I want to be a spiritual person or a secular person? Do I want to be a lazy person or a productive person? Do I want to make things happen? Do I want to watch things happen? Or do I want to sit around and wonder, what happened? There are dozens, more than likely hundreds of these kind of questions you need to be asking yourself all the time. The most important aspect of this is not that you come up with the answers to these questions, it is that you are asking yourself these questions. As you live your life every day, pause often and ask yourself, is this the kind of person I want to be? If you're like me, then far too often the answer will be no. But you know what? It's exciting. Why? Because once you recognize that you're not acting like the person you want to be, you have just opened the door to change. If you've lived for a while, as I have, then you have found that with very few exceptions, you can't change other people. You can influence them, but the only person you can change is yourself. Recognizing you are not the kind of person you want to be is the first step in changing into the kind of person you do want to be. The subsequent steps in making that change are the next 2 most important decisions you will make, and those 2 steps are covered in the next 2 videos. This video is about the number 1 most important decision you will make. It is a decision you must make every single day, and of course, again, that decision is what kind of person do I want to be? Ask yourself this question every day. Every day you will refine your answer and make it better. In doing so, you'll make yourself better. When you make yourself better, you will make your family better, you will make your community better, and you will make your part of the world better. So ask yourself right now, what kind of person do you want to be? Look back on the things you have already done today and ask, did doing that reflect the kind of person I want to be? Please share this video everywhere you can. Admit it, everyone you know needs to watch this. They all need to ask themselves what kind of person they want to be. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button to tell the YouTube robots that you liked this video and that you thought it was worthwhile, and also to help the David's Tutorials channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're not, why not go ahead and click that subscribe button and then the bell icon to be notified whenever we post another great tutorial right here on David's Tutorials.